Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Monday, October 17th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had higher trade specifically into the soybean market, closing up over 15 cents higher on the day, as you had a couple friendly tidbits come out on soybeans. Now, overall, the situation is not that friendly when you look at the fundamentals. Everything's looking so far pretty good in South America. You're coming off a huge crop here in the U.S. where you've already increased to record yields. You increased another almost bushel here this last report, and people aren't really expecting that to really stop. They're aiming for another bushel increase, up to another bushel increase here coming in the next 2 to 3 months. So really, your fundamental side isn't all that supportive, but what you had is just a couple of tidbits to get this market buying, maybe a little bit of short covering as well. You came out here and had some friendly NOPA crush numbers, and inspections were huge today in soybeans. So they were expecting them to come around 1.5 million metric tons. They came in close to 2.5 million metric tons, so over 1 million metric tons more than expected. And so what that inspections are is you have your export sales and then you have inspections. Inspections are what's leaving, so you need those inspections to meet up with what you have for sales to really justify those sales that actually are met. So that's where you had that. Corn couldn't really do a whole lot all day long. It was down about 2 cents majority of the day. Did find some strength coming into the close steady on the day. And then the wheat market anywhere from steady to 4 cents higher as well, as they were both very quiet. Over into the meat markets, you had some strength come through in both cattle markets. Live cattle up $1.55, feeders at one point up $2, close just shy of $2 there, and then lean hogs actually about 60 cents lower. Outside markets all slightly lower, but very quiet. So crude market down about 50 cents, dollar slightly weaker, and then the Dow market was down about 50 points. Moving forward, what these markets are going to be watching is to see how harvest is coming along. We get that announcement here this evening. That'll be able to give us some details, and then also just continue yield reports. As it looks like we're going to have some open windows to continue harvest, and we should continue to hear those yield reports, especially in the Eastern Corn Belt, where people are expecting to get a little bit more information, because that's really the one that looks like you're coming in close to average and not hearing those huge yields. So we'll see what we hear from them for the rest of the week. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk. Loss may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.